Jeff Bezos and Lauren Sanchez arrive in Venice via helicopter ahead of glam Venice Wedding exclusive source. The couple is expected to tie the knot in a 3-day extravaganza in the Italian city by Rachel McReady, Alina Tarabatoni, and Vera Nedinova. Need to know. Number 1. Jeff Bezos and Lauren Sanchez arrived in Venice, Italy on Wednesday, June 25, ahead of their wedding. The Amazon founder and his fiancée were picked up by a helicopter from Bezos' jet Coro and flown into the city. Number 3. Over the next 3 days, they are expected to enjoy a series of wedding-related festivities. Jeff Bezos and Lauren Sanchez touched down in Venice, Italy on Wednesday, June 25, ahead of their highly anticipated wedding. It confirms. A helicopter left Venice on Wednesday midday local time, landing on Bezos' jet's support ship named the Abiona, next to Bezos' jet Coro, which was parked just off the coast of Croatia. The chopper then returned to Venice with Bezos 61 and Sanchez 55 abroad. The helicopter landed in the Venice Lido, where the city's annual Venice Film Festival is held. The star-studded festivities will be spread out over multiple days. According to a source, guests will be treated to a casual welcome night at the Madonna del Orto Church on June 26. According to local sources, security preparations for the wedding have transformed Venice into a fortress-like operation. Approximately 20 security personnel were stationed and in full operational move across one of the key venues, Chiesa della Madonna dell'Orto, on June 24. On June 27, the couple is expected to marry in a black tie wedding ceremony. This is expected to take place at the island of San Giorgio Maggiore of Venice, transformed by the Giorgio Cini Foundation into an event space. After the nuptials, guests are expected to enjoy a relaxed Saturday night evening dinner on June 28. Originally, this was set to take place at Scuola Vecchia della Misericordia, but was later relocated to the Arsenal of Venice, a historic site of former shipyards and armories, according to a source. While the guest list has been mostly kept under wraps, Ivanka Trump and her husband Jared Kushner were spotted arriving in Venice on June 24. A source previously confirmed that Carly Colas and Joshua Kushner were also invited, while Diane von Furstenberg was spotted arriving at Venice's Marco Polo Airport on June 24. An exclusive source also revealed that Matteo Bocelli, son of iconic Italian tenor Andrea Bocelli, will perform at the star-studded ceremony. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.